Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and this week on Throwback Thursdays, episode 4, I'm going to take it back 4 years, and it's not the slideshow format. You'll actually see me from 4 years ago. We're going to be doing a French toast breakfast on the Blackstone Griddle. All right, hope you enjoy it. Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and it's 22 degrees out here this morning. We're going to make some French toast, but before I make the French toast, I'm gonna make some bacon to go with our French toast. And I don't know if you remember or not, but a lot of times when I make bacon, I'll put a clean tray in the Blackstone, capture my bacon grease because I'm gonna be using it on an upcoming cook, so watch out for that one. Just using regular bread today, no special bread. But we are gonna use something special for this French toast. We're gonna use Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake. This is another one of the Uncle Steve's that my buddy Craig at Behind the Garage Barbecue sent me. Craig, thank you so much. We're gonna do the French toast with it. And I got my Blackstone heating up. See, it's 22, it's freaking cold. So anyway, let's get this going. Okay, there's our bacon, getting that all ready. All right, our bacon is done. Get that off onto a tray. Just like that, look at that. Yummy. Okay, now time to save my bacon grease. Okay, so I can leave a little bit of my bacon grease on here for my French toast. Let's get that all ready. Okay, so I've already got 4 eggs in here, about a 1/4 cup of milk. I had to move it over here in the sun so it didn't freeze. So all I'm gonna do now is add some Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake in here. It has cinnamon and sugar and everything already in it, so let's start with about that much and see how it looks. I think we're going to need more than that, right? Yeah, I think we're going to need a little more. Don't be shy. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's get this cook going. All right, so all we're gonna do is dip our bread in the egg mixture, just like that. How tough was that? Okay, hey, how about we sprinkle a little more Uncle Steve's on there? Okay, that'll only take a second. I got my heat just above low. You don't want to cook them too fast. So in the center, might be cooking a little bit faster. Just the way the griddle works. A little bit more of that shake. Not gonna hurt nothing, right? Just gonna make it that much better. Look at that. Looking good. I think I'm gonna move these around because my hot spot is right in here. We'll give these ones that were on the outer edges a little time in the hot spot. I only have one burner on, this one right here. Actually, I probably should move them over a tiny bit. Alrighty. And hey, what are you gonna do with all that leftover egg? Yeah, it's got brown sugar, or brown. It's got sugar and cinnamon in it, but hey, it'll still cook, right? We'll have some sweet scrambled eggs. Look at that. Okay, let me take these off. Okay, you don't want to overcook your eggs. Those look like they're done. Take those off. Bacon, eggs from the French toast, eggs and French toast. Look at that. With Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake. All right, we're gonna go dig into this. Okay, there you go. French toast using Uncle Steve's dessert shake. I went ahead and scrambled up the eggs that was left over and some bacon. Can't wait to try this. I'm gonna take a piece of this French toast without any syrup first. Yeah, that's very good. With my French toast, I usually just add cinnamon. The Uncle Steve's dessert shake has cinnamon and sugar in it. So here's some with some Aunt Jemima's original syrup. Okay, how about them sweet eggs? Awesome, just tastes like eggs. So don't toss out them eggs. Everything, wonderful. Okay, I got a few pro tips for you. Pro tip number one, if you own a Blackstone, always have a second bottle, a propane bottle. I got my bacon going, did that little clip on filming it, propane right now. But I did have my other bottle, so hooked up the other bottle and continue cooking. That's why you need 2 propane bottles at least, okay? Pro tip number 2. If you have a Blackstone like me that has cabinets in it, I keep my oils and rags and everything in there. Olive oil doesn't last in the winter. It freezes, it solidifies. So keep your olive oil in the house. Pro tip number 3. When you're frying bacon or frying anything, wear an apron. Keeps your clothes from getting all the grease spots that all of my t-shirts have. So get an apron. It took me a while before I got one. Finally got one. Definitely get one. Use it when you're frying on the Blackstone and you'll save your clothing. All right. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, share, tell everybody to check out this video. French toast with Uncle Steve's dessert shake. Really good. All right, we'll see you on the next video.